Manga studios are cutting typesetting time by 80% using AI. Here's exactly how and why your business should care. Traditional manga typesetting takes 40-60 hours per volume. Freelancers manually position text, match fonts, and align dialogue bubbles frame by frame. It's repetitive, error-prone, and expensive. AI automation now handles 80% of this work automatically, freeing teams for creative tasks that actually generate revenue. AI tools scan manga pages, detect dialogue bubbles, recognize text language, and automatically position type with correct spacing and alignment. Systems like Manga Copilot and Typhon AI use computer vision to understand panel layouts instantly. Manual corrections take minutes instead of hours, reducing costs per volume by 60-70%. Studios publishing 5 to 10 manga translation teams process 3x more volumes with same staff. Quality improves because humans focus on legibility and style. ROI hits break-even in 2-3 months for mid-size operations. Start with free trials. Manga Copilot offers 10 free pages monthly. Test on 1 volume. Train your team on editing output rather than creating from scratch. Combine with your existing workflow. No full system overhaul needed. Average setup takes 1 week. If you're automating your business with AI, subscribe and comment which task you're tackling next.